Hi world changers, history makers, pace setters, it's Keroy here, aka Mother Ego. How is everybody doing? So I got a message from one of the followers a while ago, and they were saying they've tried everything but nothing works. What is the problem? Well, there is no simple answer to this, but usually the main culprit is the mindset. The mindset. You have to be, think, see, do what you're planning to accomplish. You have to, the focus is so much that if you're thinking of doing several things or several projects at the same time, it won't work because you have a limited amount of energy, a limited amount of strength and resources. So focus will be number one, and when you focus on that given project you're working on with everything you've got, including changing your mindset, it's the first thing, because you have to think like that thing you want to be. You have to do and act so that everything around you rotates around that particular project. At that point it will work. But time, determination, persistency, consistency, taking every failure and squeezing out the lesson and using it as a stepping stone for the next step. It's like driving a long distance, right? You keep changing the steering just a little bit. You don't have to swerve so much. You just change it a little bit to stay on track. And that is course correction. And that's what you'll do as you take on whatever projects you're taking on with that determined focus. It takes a very unusual person to do very many projects at the same time and actually succeed. So from the experience, I know it's one project at a time. Once it gets moving and everything is moving good, then you add on later. But we have limited energy, resources and strength. For every project you take on, it will demand of you a lot. So be mindful, try again, don't give up. This is Mother Ego, and if you need help, we have a WhatsApp group for coaching and mentoring and helping you to change your mindset for success. Join us. Leave me a message below and I'll send you more information. I'll see you next time. Bye.